Wow.
Okay, can we move quickly?
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's go.
So a lot of monkey here. So actually they swim on the water. They jump around and around. So actually you can see here they enjoy the swim, the water here. Oh my God. This look very funny. Oh, you can see this one. They jump from the at the branch of the tree. You can see. Oh my God. They jump around and around. You can see some of them there. Wow! Wow! You can see here. Everyone. They really enjoy swimming here. You can see. They're living here very happily here. And this one we call the Angkor National Park. So you can see here. This one the Angkor National Park area. So a lot of monkey here. So you can see. You can see. You can see. You can see.